today? Well, I'm going to today show you it's a hammer. A hammer. So, let me get this nail. It takes 4 meters. It takes 4 meters. It takes 4 meters to hammer it.
Is it in?
Yep. Just a couple more hammers. It takes 4 meters. Hours.
Show me what's in your toolkit.
And put your pliers and a plier and a winch and a screwdriver and another one and a ruler, a square one and a straight one.
Wow. Say bye.
Sam, I'm not going to get.
You're not done. How about we come back when you're finished?
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, so see you soon.
See ya. When I hammer it 12 times.
Okay, bye.
Need to get this going first. G'day everybody. This is a rocket stove I made last week. I just brought it out to the off-grid site. And all it consists of is a bit of steel tubing section, or whatever you like to call it, box section, in an L shape. And it's supposed to run off sticks and it heats up water really quick off a limited amount of fuel. So when I get this going, this bucket here, we'll put this on top. I don't know how many gallons or litres it is, but it's nearly full so we'll put that on top and see how long it takes to warm up. Basically the idea is to have it to warm up water for a shower, so it doesn't really have to boil. But I'll be back when I get it going. You actually feed the rocket stove from here, but just to get it going I'm starting it in the top. And as you can see, it's just little sticks. And once you get it going, it makes a roaring sound. I guess it's supposed to sound like a rocket. But as you can see, the flames coming out the top, we're nearly there. So I'll put the bucket on the top. And we'll see how long that takes. Back with you when it's boiling. This is our shower facility. There's the brand name down here. I think we picked this up from BCF, I think. Boating, fishing and camping. What we have here is a shower setup made by Primus, and all you do is runs off a 12 volt battery. You just drop the pump into a bucket of warm water or hot water, whatever you want, and there's your shower head, and on the shower head it's got an on and off switch just there, and over here, lost it, here we go, this turns the power on and off. So we just run it out the back here into the car. We park the car behind, just plug it into the cigarette lighter adapter, and off we go. We've got this fiberglass shower base down at the local rubbish dump, so I'm going to fit it inside the shower tent as a temporary floor. We'll see how that goes. Better than standing on the dirt. And later on we might even fit it in one of the buildings we make. As you can see on our off-grid site, we need to eat. And here's one of our cooks, Sam.
Hi.
So tell us what you've got to do. What's different to the standard kitchen that you're used to working in?
Well, we have less water, so we have to preserve it and work out a way to save it and use it wisely. I don't have a kitchen, so stuff is everywhere. Instead of using an oven, we put it in a pot and put it over the fire or in the ground, like you see Mum's uncovering, and we put coals on top of the pot to cook it. And then put the sheet.
You want to take me over and show me the pot?
Yep. This is the pot we put it in. We put a foil tray in the bottom to save us from having to wash it. And I'll show you the hole that we put it in. Over here. We just dig out the coals in here, and we put the pots in when they're ready, and then we put hot coals.
So that is a hole. It's not showing up as a hole, I don't think, but it is a hole, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. And then we put hot coals from this fire on top of the pots.
This fire here?
Yeah. And then we cover it over with iron and leave it to cook.
What's your mum doing?
She's digging out the old coals so that we can put new ones in.
Okay, so you want to take me back and show me what's for dinner?
Vegetables, potatoes, kumara and pumpkin. And is it corned beef, Mum? Yeah. And corned beef, but that's in the fridge, so.
So what for everybody else, what's kumara?
Sweet potato.
And how long will that take to cook?
A few hours.
Okay.
Just when it smells ready.
Okay. So you got no gauges or anything to check the temperature with on your cooking process?
No.
Just by smell?
Yeah, just by smell.
Okay, thanks Sam.
Okay, bye.
This is the corned beef, and this just gets put in the middle, and then all the roast vegetables get put around the outside,
Jenny's our other cook.
which is Sam's going to do.
And my other half, my better half. What's for dinner, Jake?
I don't know.
Oh, what's here? What's in the plate?
Potato.
In the bowl.
And pumpkin.